I'm super excited because I've got a SHEIN haul, and this time, it's all about accessories and makeup. Hello everyone, I'm Natalie, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for some budget-friendly beauty and accessory inspo, stay tuned. Let's dive right in. Okay, so the first item is this adorable Hello Kitty hairbrush. So cute, really perfect for your handbag and for Hello Kitty lovers. Really pretty and good quality. So nice for my collection. Next, we have a contour brush and it was super cheap. Wow, it looks amazing, very nice brush and super soft. It is as good as an expensive brand. It seems good quality. Next we have a makeup product. It is a roll ball lip oil. Very pretty design. It is alcohol-free, vegan, and without animal cruelty. It makes the lips soft and hydrated. I think I'm going to use this a lot. It only cost €2.96. The next item is another lip gloss in a super funny packaging. This is the Rick and Morty Sheglam Family Counseling Lip Gloss with the cartoon Beth for €3.94. I love these designs, the price is so cheap for what you get. It's great that you can remove the figure, but I'll definitely leave it alone. That's what really makes it fun. Gorgeous shade, smells very good. I will be buying more of these. Next we have again a Hello Kitty Sheglam Perfection Lip Glaze in the shade Melon Punch. It keeps the lips hydrated all day, it's a non-sticky texture and delivers a mirror shine finish. As soon as I saw this I knew I had to have it, and I'm so happy with it. The packaging is gorgeous. Best thing is, when the gloss is finished I'll still have a pretty keychain or bag charm. The next item is the SHEIN Glam Skin Finite Hydrating Foundation in the shade Golden. It is a creamy medium coverage foundation designed to mimic the natural look of your skin, but provides extra hydration and a beautiful glow. They claim not to be cakey or pore clogging. This advanced formula is ultra-light, blendable and breathable for a barely there feeling. There are 37 colors to choose from for this foundation. I'm curious to try this out. The next item is also a makeup product from SHEIN Glam. I'm curious whether this mascara for only €3.95 will do its job well. They claim that it gives a thickening and lengthening effect. The mascara should be buildable and smudge-proof and is waterproof. The reviews are promising. They say this mascara works even better than some expensive brands. I'm curious to try it out to see the effect. The next item is an accessory from Hello Kitty. It is a cute foldable mirror and very handy for in the handbag. It is great for a smaller purse. One side of the mirror provides a magnifying effect. Here we have a cute pink semi-transparent cosmetic bag. I just had to have it. It is perfect for my makeup brushes. It's quite spacey and you can fit a lot, which I didn't expect. I paid €4.28 for it. Next is a bling bling storage box for small items. I bought it for the handbag. For example, sometimes I need cotton swabs to remove my smudged makeup. We have here again a Rick and Morty SHEIN Glam lip gloss in the shade Ricky. You have 5 shades in this lip gloss with 5 different figures. Curious to try it out. Soon I will make a video about all SHEIN Glam makeup. Very nice lip gloss with lots of beautiful glitter and super nice packaging. It is not a blue color, so don't worry. It's a gorgeous clear shimmer, perfect if you like a shimmer on top of your normal lip combos. Next is a contour stick, creamy and lightweight. I bought it in the color Golden Sun. It is available in 7 shades. The price is so cheap, €3.55. The reviews are positive about this product. It blends very nicely and gives a natural contouring look according to one buyer. These disposable spoolie brushes are ideal for combing your eyebrow hairs into shape and distributing typical products over your eyebrows. I have 6 makeup sponges here suitable for blending cream and powder makeup. They cost €1.78. It's made of hydrophilic polyurethane material and you can use it dry or wet. I bought this SHEIN Glam eyeshadow because I liked the packaging so much. The chocolate-scented, Wonka-inspired palette contains 8 luscious, super smooth, blendable shades. It contains sodium hyaluronate and cocoa butter to lock in skin's moisture while looking super sweet. According to the reviews, this eyeshadow is well pigmented and lasts well. For €5.39, this is really a fantastic product. Can't wait to try it out. I bought the SHEIN Glam Very Cherry Cheek and Lip Cream Stack. Handy to take with you in your handbag because of the pocket size. It should be smooth and creamy and buildable in color. The mirror that comes with it is also very useful. This is the SHEIN Glam 12HR Full Coverage Concealer for just €3.46. I have the shade Chantilly and it is available in 20 shades. Conceals dark circles, brightens under eyes, and creates a lifted effect. It contains Portulaca oleracea extract. This plant has skin-soothing properties and is a potent antioxidant thanks to its high amounts of vitamins A, as beta-carotene, C, and E, alpha-tocopherol. Next we have the SHEIN Glam A 2-in-1 design. The tip is for drawing precise lines and the stamp is for creating the perfect wing. I'm not good at making a wing, so this is perfect for me. Reviews are saying that the eyeliner is very easy to apply. The wing stamp makes it so much easier and it is waterproof. The last item is a SHEIN Glam eyebrow gel. Many eyebrow gels leave a white residue. Wondering if that will be the case with this one. Squeeze a small amount of the product and apply evenly with the brow comb so that the paste is fully attached to the eyebrows. Let's try it on. It works very well and doesn't leave stuff or smell behind. I like the cute brush. I have tried so many types, but this one for so little money, I paid €2.96, is just great. Oh, I still have something. It's a nice Hello Kitty cream blush. What a funny packaging. I own very expensive blushes, but this one is mainly for my collection. The comments on this product say that it is really pigmented, so it looks scary, but it blends down into a really pretty flush. That's the end of the haul. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you rate each item I got.